Question 1. Which statement about DTP is true? Options. Answer is B. It sends data on VLAN 1. Control traffic like CDP, DTP, PAGP, and VTP uses VLAN 1 to operate, even if you change the native VLAN. Question 2. Which spanning tree protocol rides on top of another spanning tree protocol? Options. Answer is D. MSTP. Multiple spanning tree protocol. Multiple spanning tree implementations are defined by IEEE 802.1. SMST convergence is fast because it rides on top of RSTP. MST provides load balancing capability without the scalability issues that are attached with legacy STP. Question 3. What can you change to select switch as root bridge? Options. Answer is B. Make lower priority. The root bridge is selected by manually configuring its bridge priority to a low value. 32768 is the default value out of a range from 0 to 61440. If all switches in a single spanning tree have the same bridge priority, the switch with the lowest MAC address will become the root bridge. Question 4. Which protocol supports sharing the VLAN configuration between two or more switches? Options. Answer is C. VTP is a Cisco proprietary protocol that facilitates the synchronization of VLAN information within a domain. It allows switches to share and synchronize VLAN configuration information over trunk links. This means that when you configure VLANs on one VTP server switch, those VLAN configurations can be propagated to other switches in the same VTP domain. Question 5. Which option is the default switch port security violation mode? Options. Answer is C. Shutdown. This mode is the default. If a port security violation occurs, example, a packet with a disallowed MAC address is received, the interface is put into the error disabled state, effectively shutting down the port. This prevents further traffic from being forwarded through the port until the violation is cleared. Question 6. Which port security mode can assist with troubleshooting by keeping count of violations? Options. Answer is A. Restrict. In this mode, packets from violating MAC addresses are dropped, and SNMP traps are generated. Importantly, the switch increments a violation counter for each violating packet it receives. This counter can be monitored and used for troubleshooting to identify ports that are experiencing security violations. Question 7. What is the status of port channel if LACP is misconfigured? Options. Answer is B. Disabled. Ether channel misconfiguration occurs when the channel parameters do not match on both sides of the Ether channel, resulting in the following message. Therefore, from the output above we can see that when misconfigured, the physical interface is put into a disabled state. But this question asks about the status of port channel, not the physical member interface. So, answer disabled is a better choice.